Coronavirus is spreading at a rapid rate around the globe, hence there is a great requirement of testing machines for cooperates and organizations. Fevobot is the solution for the quick hassle-less checking of employees and even customers, which gives quick and accurate readings of people. Designed and manufactured in India for the world, this is a great investment for companies. Developed by Oizom, this is a contactless digital fever detection system. Fevo-Plus is a compact, connected, and cost-effective fever detector. It can be seamlessly connected to your smartphone. The Fevo-Plus offers accurate temperature recording on real-time, with unlimited data storage. Hence you can use it as a database for employees' health checks. The Fevo-Plus shows real-time data on the mobile app and can be integrated with multiple databases like passport numbers, employee IDs and unique identity numbers like Aadhaar or social security number. Its size makes it an ideal solution for fever detection on the go. It is widely used at homes, baby care, offices, and personal use. The Fevobot is an automatic fever screening system that can be mounted on a wall or tripod for fever detection. It has a display that shows real-time temperature and sound feedback on successful screening. It also has a sufficient battery backup for 200+ screenings. It can screen a person in just half a second. This makes it capable of handling a long queue or crowd without congestion. The data from Fevobot can be integrated with your existing access control systems, ERP solutions, and digital kiosks. It can be easily installed at entrances of office premises, restaurants and bars, malls, shopping centers, and industrial facilities. Detailed reports can also be generated from Fevo-Plus and Fevobot for trend analysis. For more information about the product, visit the link in description. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe our channel for more amazing videos. Stay safe, stay happy. See you in the next video.